There's a snake in my boot. So this will probably be the first episode of 2018, so I'm going to make this actually useful. What do you reckon, love?
In what way?
In explaining exactly how you get to Disneyland Paris from London St Pancras station. Yeah?
Okay.
So, this is it. Morning, Bella.
Morning.
It's currently, what time is it? 6:31 on the morning of Saturday the 30th of December 2017. We are waiting for our train, the Eurostar to Lille, changing at Lille on the way to, was it the Disneyland. You all set? It's the underwater train, yes. Yeah.
Yes.
You ready, Liv?
Yeah.
Okay, right, we'll see you on the other side. We're here at Lille currently.
That one's starting to open.
Yes. And we stayed in the Pullman Hotel next to King's Cross Station, which we highly recommend. They gave us milk and cookies, didn't they? Oh, look at that. Oh, this hotel's just won Hotel of the Year in my books. And we have, what do we have in here, Bella?
Milk.
We have
Milk and cookies.
some milk. So yes, we stayed in the Pullman Hotel at King's Cross last night. Got on the 6:57 train to here. So from St Pancras, Eurostar to Lille. And then we have a 10:43 train, which is in 40 minutes all the way to Disneyland Paris. Everything is going to plan, just about.
We're on a double-decker train and we're at the top. Woo!
Double-decker train, look at that! And we're back on the train. So, because we connected at Lille, I had to print off the tickets at the Eurostar station, which look like this.
Wow.
It's very easy. All you have to do is put in a reference number and the surname, and it printed straight off. So that was very easy. And in fact, I did that last night whilst we were staying at a hotel nearby. So in case you're wondering, it does work. Don't panic. The tickets will be there. It's fine. We also only have premium class tickets left, which I'm glad they did, but no amount of premium aspects will deduct the whininess of your children at this hour of the day. And that's where I live. You could literally fly them first class and they would whine.
Oh, excited.
They're excited.
I'm quite excited.
This is a Toy Story themed room because it has a
Woody and Jessie. I'm
Woody-
going to
Woody
save
and
your
Jessie.
embarrassment of not knowing the characters' names.
Woody and the horse, Woody and Jessie.
Hello, voila!
Voila. Bella's trying to say voila. Good French, Bella.
Also on the train we got a light breakfast, which was good, but no meal on the second train, was there?
No.
Then we went into the station at Disneyland, went upstairs, used the Disney Express luggage.
Which is a must if you're early to the
What
park.
costs us 60 quid extra, we would highly recommend it, mainly because you don't have to lug your luggage, drag your suitcases all the way to the hotel, they do that for you, plus you can also go straight into the parks. Win. Big win. I would have paid double. Don't put your prices up, Disneyland.
Yeah, no, don't say that.
I would have paid double though, but don't put your prices up. And then we got all our tickets to the park, also at the luggage express, so it meant that we could go straight into the park, all our passes, and we've just come back here and checked into the hotel, which is great. The other thing you get when you stay in a Disneyland hotel is you get early access to the park, which gives us an extra hour, I think, 8:30? 8:30?
Yeah, or 8.
8:30 or 8,
Different days, different
depending on
times.
the day. We're staying in the Hotel Cheyenne, which is a little bit further of a walk, but it's still a Disney hotel. But the walk isn't that bad actually. It's probably takes us 5 minutes more, but we probably saved ourselves around 500 quid in doing so. But it is expensive to eat here. We're looking at a family of 4 eating in a restaurant here, 100 euros. For the nights we're here, we'll probably put the money we've saved in staying here back on food. So that was all great. I'm super happy with that, and booking from the Disneyland website actually worked out just fine. So we hope you found that very useful. There'll be more silliness to come, I'm sure, from the episodes of our trip. So all that leaves me to say, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're new here, consider subscribing, and we will see you in the next one.